during the time of Adam and Moses.
During the time of Jesus, diha ba usa mabuta sa iyang first coming?
Yes, many.
Kadagamang buta karon, wala di ay bisan usa ka doktor nga nakadiskubre on how to prevent blindness and made up permanent cure.
Yes. Bisan ang WHO, ang World Health Organization, o ang mga medical schools, wag yun kayo balo how to prevent blindness.
Pila naman di ay edad ni ining sakit nga blindness?
Kining edad ng sakit nga blindness nga biblical, mura kinig mga sobra na 6,000 years.
Why 6,000 years or 6 millennium?
Because according to the computation, Adam was created in 4,025 years before Christ. From Adam to Christ, that is around 4,000 years. Christ to the present time is another 2,000 years. So all in all, 6,000 years or 6 millennium or jubilee.
Iyon ka man, Brad, nga biblical kining blindness nga sakit ug more than 6,000 years old na kining sakita nga unsolved. Makaproyba sa biblical nga kining blindness exists already also during the time of Christ.
Daghang kayo prueba og mao kini ang mga biblical passages. Una, the blind man of Jericho. That is Mark 8:20-26. The blind man of Bethsaida, Mark 8:22-26. The two blind men, and that is recorded by Matthew 9:27-31. And lastly, the man who was blind and mute, that is Mark 1:23-28, Luke 4:33-37.
Ug kining atong gisgutan nga blindness, hereditary basad kani.
Blindness is not hereditary. God and we are His likeness is the source of man, and God is not blind. So ergo, blindness is not hereditary, contrary to some theory of